In this tutorial we learn how to move entities, copy entities and rotate entities. Here we have this sketch. To move entities, select sketch and go to move entities tool, click on it, start point, just click anyway here. Now to drop down the sketch, just right click. Okay, copy entities, go to copy entities tool, entities to copy, select the entity, start point, for example here, and move, for example here, and right click. Okay, again to rotate entities, go to rotate entities tool, select the entity, center of rotation, or just 90 degree. Okay, again rotate entities, for example center of rotation here 90 degree. Again rotate entities, center of rotation, we can choose any center of rotation here, and 50 degree. Finally select entities, center of rotation just here 7 degree. Okay, here our sketch. Just that in this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to watch the next tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button. You can also visit my blog for more. You can also watch the previous tutorial